we're going to go on a brief tour of the fall foliage here in San Diego County. Let's go.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Okay, so right now we are at 24 feet, almost 25 feet. And let's go to about 75 feet. So let's keep ascending. And it's kind of a breezy day out. So we're at 76, 77. Let's go up to 85 feet. Let's do 2 times zoom. Let's tilt the camera down. Let's start recording here. Here we go. So we're going to do a 360-degree pan from right to left, or let's do it. So look at the beautiful foliage here. Simply gorgeous. And we're doing our pan. Again, 2 times zoom. And we're getting a great look of that foliage. Just beautiful. It's really beautiful in the winter time too, when there's lots of snow. Really beautiful. Okay. So let's go up a little higher in altitude. Let's go up to about 100 feet. Okay. And let's explore a little bit. We want to make sure that we're higher than the trees. Ooh, it's very breezy. So we're just going to fly very slowly. We're going to turn to the right. We're going to tilt the camera down, just like that. Oh, beautiful. Let's go back to 1 time zoom, and you can get a wider look at the landscape here. Again, it's kind of breezy, so we're not going to go that far. But I just wanted to, really breezy, so we're going to proceed with caution. Looks beautiful. Kind of a stuttery feed, so that's why we're not going to go that far. Looks beautiful. Let's pan to the left. Beautiful. You can see the road down below. Okay, let's continue panning to the left. And again, it's kind of a breezy day, so we're gonna be very cautious of our surroundings. Still panning off to the left. Again, a beautiful fall day here in San Diego County. Okay, there we go. Okay, now let's go forward. I'm gonna go up in altitude a little bit. Beautiful. Gonna go to the left. Beautiful. Okay, let's just get stationary for a moment here. Look at that beautiful fall foliage in the trees. Let's go to 2 times zoom. and you can get a better look. I'm going to go pan to the left, and let's go zoom in some more. And you can get, that's 4x zoom, and you can get just like a really good look at the colors on the trees here. Very beautiful. Okay, we're panning off to the right, and you can see the beautiful colors. And we're going to pan back to the left. Now I'm going to stop recording to the drone, and let's go to photo mode because I want to get some photos. Okay, so let's pan to the left here. Beautiful. Let's do 2x zoom. Oh, even more gorgeous. Tap on the screen. Beautiful. Okay, let's pan off toward the road. See if we can get the road off here on the right here. Let's see, are we getting the road? Okay, I don't see the road, so I may need to move the camera down. Okay, let's go off to the left. I'm just trying to get the best possible photo I can get. Oh, that looks nice. Okay. All right, now we're gonna do a 180 in the opposite direction. We're panning to the left. Ooh, let's stop right there. Oh, that looks gorgeous here. Let's tilt the camera up some. Okay, let's go back to 1x zoom. Tilt the camera down again. Okay, go to the right just for a moment. Get that. Okay, now let's continue panning to the left. And we're at the regular view here. Okay, let's turn around. And there's the road right there. Okay. So and let's get, oh, nice. Tilt the camera down. Let's pan to the left. Let's see if we can get the road, the car. There we go. Now the trees are covering up the road there, but let's tilt that down. See, let's put the little nice. All right. Okay, so let's go explore a little more, and let's go forward. See what we see. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful fall colors. So we're just gonna get a look at the landscape. Again, we don't want to travel too far, but I just want you to have a sense of how beautiful it is. Let's stop right there for a minute. This will make a nice still photo. Let's tilt the camera down. Let's go 2x zoom. Okay, let's go back to original format here. Take another photo. Tilt it down. Get that just where I want it. Okay, now we're gonna fly for a couple more minutes. So let's go forward. Tilt the camera up. There we go. Again, I just want you to get a sense of just how beautiful it is. Let's turn the camera around. And the drone, let's see, there we go. Turn. Turn it around. Oh, that looks like a, we'll make a nice photo here. Get the camera up some. All right. Okay, so we're gonna go a little delay in the feed there. I apologize for that. Let's get a photo there. Let's go forward. There we go. And just look at the colors. And the sun is like in a perfect angle up in the sky. Just looks absolutely beautiful. Again, you have a stutter in the feed, and I apologize for that, for the signal. But man, that just looks absolutely beautiful. All right. Absolutely beautiful. All right. And let's stop it right there. So let's end the video right here. So thank you so much for going on this little tour with me of the fall foliage here in San Diego County. It just looks beautiful. And that's all for this episode. So if you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So thank you very much. Have a great day, and we'll see you again soon.